I forgot to tell you, I really wasn't sure what it was giving. It might be giving retwist your hair. I have not retwisted my hair since this day, but that's okay because I'm gonna do it today. Tomorrow we're going on a hike, and then the day after that is the 4th of July. But if I don't do it, then I'm not gonna have time to do it. So I really need to retwist my hair, and I want to stop waiting so long. And you know, it's time. It's ready. She's ready. She's ready. Let's give a little before. Give a little before and after. This is ready. This is ready to be retwisted. Very much still cute. If you didn't watch my last video and find out that I'm that girl, then that's really on you. There's nothing I can really help you with that to do. I don't know how to talk to you. I know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Sit down, buckle up, strap it up. Back about to hurt. Neck about to hurt. So now it's time to retwist my hair. So I put this shoulder up, put this shoulder up. Cause I don't care. I don't care. How you do it? Skedaddle. I know I just skedaddled, but lately I've been allowing myself to make impulse decisions to like heal my inner child. So I may want to also bleach my hair again today. I just took this water bottle cap and cut a hole into it because I'm gonna put bleaching developer in a water bottle and use that to squeeze it on some roots. Probably with like 20 or 10 volume developer, whichever one I have. Okay, I only brought y'all in here for a second to show you what I'm using because it's not a tutorial, it's a retwist with me. The bleach I stand by, that I only got that much left. I found some 20 volume Wella, and I found some Color Charm Wella. I hope developer don't expire because I had this for years. These are my very technical bleaching supplies, okay? So yeah, so reason number 1,000,003 why this is not a tutorial. I didn't realize that it would also make my hair bleach a little bit unevenly because there's not as like the amount of bleach per section is not the same. So some of it is getting where I wanted to. I want like a dusty brown color. I just want it to not be black. I want it to be brown, but not blonde, but not black. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of what I'm going for. And I didn't really look at the time. I'm not looking at the time. I'm kind of looking at the color. But when I first did it, it took me like 10-12 minutes to put the bleach all over my hair. And then it's probably been like 10 minutes since then. So total process time is probably like 20 minutes at this point. But I think I'm going to do like 30 minutes. So probably like 10 more minutes. And then we're going to see where we at. I'm literally getting so antsy and I'm not paying attention to the time like at all, but I just wanted y'all to see that this shit is pretty much still black. Only part that's bleaching is like over here, and it's still, I don't even tell that it's getting a little bit brown over here. Back is black. Whatever, we gonna see what it looks like. Ooh. Okay. Truthfully, I'm not a fan of how it came out. It's patchy. But a part of that whole healing my inner child thing was the simple fact that I have a lot of anxiety around control, and that leads me to be very structured, and it has always led me to be very structured. Healing my inner child by allowing myself to make impulse decisions also is twofold, because the second part of that is allowing that I don't lose my shit because structure didn't make it come out perfect. Does that make sense? Doesn't have to. Not for you, it's for me. Now, regardless of what I was doing before, I'm going to try to retwist my hair all to the right. And I don't really feel like I need to see. In or not in my favor. I don't think I need to see. I know I when they cry. That'll make a pussy wet. Take you right. How that? I see a baby coming. Shit. I'm just rolling through it because I just feel like even when I can see, I don't be looking at shit. To be staring at my hair the whole time in order for it to come out right. So I just been rolling. All my bitches rolling. Look at how much hair is on this one vlog. No wonder it's so bad. It's just really hard to keep it in focus because I gotta keep going back and forth to the table. And one thing, is this breaking? One thing that I realized is that the oil that I was using is kind of heavier than my brain I was thinking it is, which I guess makes it good for it being a retwist oil, but I just didn't want that heavy feeling, so I used less oil this time and more just kind of water. And I did like oh wait, is that the right way? Yeah, I did like 0 parting this go around. Literally like no parting. And my boyfriend and I are going out tonight, so it's giving blow dryer because I need my hair to dry. But I'm gonna do a style on my hair to make the retwist last and let it dry, but it's not gonna be like a 2-strand retwist. It's just gonna be, I think I'm gonna do 2 buns. I think that's what it's giving. I think I'm gonna do 2 low buns. Could I do that? I think I can do it. See if I can pull that style that I've never done before. Oh, should I do 2 buns with the... Oh, I think I'm gonna do 2 buns with a swoop. Oh, I'm about to get crafty in here. I'm about to get crafty. This is gonna be so cute. I just thought of an idea. Which, it's not even an idea. It's a style that I've done before. It's like a mixture of 2 styles that I've done before. And yeah. Oh, let's get done. Get her done. Almost done. I retwist my hair so much faster now. I don't know the time, but I know it's less than 2 hours this time. It's probably 2 hours for the whole shebang. Nah, it's probably like 2.5 hours for retwisting and coloring my hair. 2.5 hours. I also am not worrying so much about the clean parting and everything, so that takes up the majority of the time. But the majority of how I wear my hair and like my hair is with my parts wild anyway, so why am I spending all that time on parts? I don't know. Actually, I'm not. The answer is that I'm not, because I'm about to be done. Since I'm about to be done, these clips don't matter as much because I'm finna take them out and put it into the style so that I can blow dry it, get it in place so I can like dry in place. And I'm using my retwist oil, but also every now and again I am dipping my fingers in coconut oil. To the right, is that to the right? I think this is the last row. I don't even think you can really tell that I colored my hair. It barely took because I barely did it. And I'm a little bit upset that the color didn't take just because I feel like it's a waste of damage on my hair. Like I put the bleach on my hair for it not to color right. So I still did the damage but didn't get the result. YOLO! I am going to come back for the style. I'm being so impatient, but here's the thing. I don't want to be patient, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just take all my clips out and start the style. These two down. Now let's do it to the other side. Hold on, isn't that cute? Look at that little lobster roll. Then this I'm gonna do probably do this like 2 strand. But what I'm gonna have to do for this back part of the ponytail before I make the bun is retwist all these to make sure that they're in there nice and tight. I'm gonna do this side and then I'm gonna come back. I'm finishing the end of my video where I retwisted my hair. I forgot to show the final product.